Howdy folks, coming to you live with a 2017 stuck in New Jersey at the blizzard. You know what I'm talking about. Look at this. Boy, I tell you what, it's snowing pretty bad outside. About 2 hours ago there was nothing on the ground, but right now there's a lot of stuff on the ground. It's accumulating on the truck pretty good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom into this LiPo out here. See? All the snow. Mercy Road crew's working. Yeah. Oh yeah. Pretty bad. Yep. Get out there. Getting bigger. The little pile's getting bigger right there. Really not doing nothing, just sitting stuck in New Jersey. New Jersey's holding me hostage. Well, I'll let y'all later.